Now let's move on to the next type of prompt, and that's text summarization. Here we're saying, go summarize some piece of text, and then we provide the text. Building on that, you can say the kind of format that you want for output, like using 3 bullet points, or a short paragraph, or a formal report, something like that. And this brings us to a best practice or a pro tip. When you're entering instructions, it's helpful for the model if you can delimit them from the rest of the input. OpenAI recommends using 3 hashes or 3 double quotes. You'll also see 3 hyphens used as well, just something to offset the instructions so that the model can distinguish instructions from the text that it's supposed to summarize. Seeing that here in the playground, I'm just using the 3 hashtags to separate the instructions from the text that it's supposed to summarize. And then we'll get that summary in 3 bullet points like we asked. Another use case is to summarize code, and the instructions are similar. So summarize this code using 2 short paragraphs. We've got the delimiter, and then we would put the code in. So just like this, I've got some React code here, the tic-tac-toe game, and then we get a summary of what it is. So just another example of how it can do summarization and how it's helpful to separate your code from the instructions.